Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about how to run that in a Hello World Docker application. So first of all, let's quickly understand that in what we are going to do, and then we'll see. So all in all, I'm going to perform that in some command, especially Docker and space run, and then hello hyphen world. So what will be happen, and I'm assuming you have already installed the Docker by that in whatever way we have explained it, and you have a terminal open. So in that case, just you have to type the command docker run and space hello hyphen world. So few thing it will be happen. Initially it will be check that in a unable to find image locally, meaning in the where the docker is installed in that system hello hyphen world image is not there. So it will be, and there is a no tag is not there, because after image name clone and whatever you use that in a number, that will be considered as a or text, it will be tag. So it what is doing is finding the latest. So by default it is the latest, and it's a pulling from library slash hello world. So library is nothing but registry or docker hub registry. Then we have a status downloading newer images from hello world colon latest, and then it's printing the hello from the DNA docker. Now these are the step number one. Type the command, it will be download the latest file from the registry and register it, or like in a store, or we https clone slash slash store.docker.com, and it will be considered the repository that a library. Image name is the hello world and tag is the latest. Now the image identify, okay, we need a hello hyphen world clone latest, and it's identify and downloaded, and it's printing that in a hello from the docker. So this is the first applications. Let me go and run it. So in that case, just we need to open that in a docker command. Okay, so I have installed that in a, and let me see docker version, and docker is installed in that. Okay, server versions in 19.03.13, and client versions is also there. So how to see the client versions? Just we have to type docker and space a hyphen hyphen versions, and it will be display the versions 19. It will be the same. So I'll do the clear screen, and now what command I have to perform? I have to perform the command docker run hello hyphen world, right? So you can see still same thing we are seeing that in again, unable to find the image hello world clone latest locally, and pulling the file system layer, right? All we got it, and you can see here we have a output hello from the docker. And whatever step we have talked on that, to generate this message, docker took the following steps. Step number one, the docker client content, the docker daemon. The docker daemon pulls that in a hello world image from the docker hub. The docker daemon create a new container from the image which run into executed, and so on and so forth. And finally docker daemon stream the output to the docker client, right? And it's also giving, if you want to run that in a bit bigger, then you can run that in a docker run hyphen it ubuntu base. So it will be what will be happen inside the docker one ubuntu will be run. Now we have done it, and you can see it's downloaded the hello hyphen world clone latest. So how to find it? Docker, and then we have a command image images, right? So if I'll see the docker images, and here we have a hello hyphen world and latest, and printing that in a the value. So all in all, this example only display that in a printing the just a hello world in that in a docker, and we'll be able to see it's working perfectly after the docker installation. So this is our first demo, and consequence I'm going to define that in a next docker file, and one html file, and running that in a docker in example. So let me know if you have any questions in QA sections, and thanks for watching.